What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here once again, and in this video I'm going to continue with our affiliate marketing case study. Remember we had month 0 where I broke down everything that we were doing, so in this month I'm going to show you more of our progress. I'm going to show you how much traffic we're getting, how much money we made, our expenses, how we're building links, how we're generating that traffic, how much we made, all that good stuff. Keep in mind I'm not going to reveal the website just yet. As I mentioned in the first video, I'm going to do that later in the process once we started generating some decent traffic or a decent amount of income. But apart from that, I'm going to show you everything else that we're doing. Now, before we dive in and get to the juicy stuff, I want to remind you that I do case studies and experiments with all the latest make money online strategies. This one is for affiliate marketing, testing out different strategies and showing you my experiences and exactly how much I made. And in addition to that, I'm going to give you tips, tricks, and strategies so that you can go out and implement these things on your own. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you find this particular video interesting, make sure you leave a like. It lets the YouTube algorithm know we're doing something interesting over here. Anyways, let's dive in. Alright, so at this point, the website is a little over 2 months old. I'm building this website with a partner. He's really good at SEO. And the website itself is in the digital marketing space. So we're doing like reviews on software products, courses, things of that nature. And we're giving tips, tricks, and strategies in the form of long form posts for anyone that stumbles across the website. So it's a mixture of review content and educational, informational, strategy focused content. For now, it's roughly 50-50. 50% review content and 50% value added content. So when people land on the website, they actually have a reason to stay. We also recently started to focus on building our mailing list, one of the biggest assets in whether affiliate marketing or any online business, because it allows you to connect with your customers directly.
So let me give you a major key.
Email is a really personal, really effective medium, even today. So we're focused on building our mailing list through content upgrades. A content upgrade is simply an addition to a post that makes whatever you're explaining faster, easier, or more effective. And usually you give them away in exchange for contact information or joining your mailing list. Here's an example of a content upgrade. It's bonus content, if you will. And the post is about LinkedIn, and the bonus content is related to LinkedIn. It helps the people who read the article get more out of it. Now, our own email list building is a little slow right now because we don't have much traffic, but we've optimized the website in a way that will maximize the traffic that we do get. On the homepage, there's a email subscription box that gives away something valuable. And then on every page of the website, there's a dedicated area for a free training that we developed just for the website. And on specific posts that are getting traffic, we also have email opt-ins. Now, the way we've done this, it's not in your face, subscribe to my mailing list, but it's noticeable enough so that someone who is or would be interested can see it and take action on that. So it's important to draw the line between being overbearing and actually getting results for yourself. So in addition to building our email list, we're actually working on partnerships with content marketing agency. Now, content marketing agency is basically a digital marketing agency that emphasizes building great content and links for their clients. The thing with the content marketing agency is that they're always on the lookout for guest post opportunity, link placement opportunities for their clients. So we intend to partner with these content marketing agencies because we're really good at doing outreach for guest posts, but it takes a lot of time to write high quality content. So it's like a win-win situation. We find these guest post opportunities, we create an outline for the article, we send them to these content marketing agencies, they write it for us, and they add some of their client links inside. We get it back, we edit it, we add our own links, and we submit it to the website. Now, it's a win-win for everybody involved because they have high quality writers involved. They get to drop their links. We get to drop our links, and we don't have to spend so much time on writing guest post articles. And the website wins because they're getting high quality content for their audience. So everyone wins, right? But we haven't secured a partnership just yet, although some agencies seem to be interested. So we're still working on that, and I will let you know in our next update whether or not it worked out. In addition to trying to build out those partnerships, we've actually been really proactive with building links. We've been using a combination of outreach and a combination of guest posting. And so last month we were able to secure some really high quality links, about 20 plus of those. I like to say that we're taking it slow right now because we don't want to build too many links too quickly. So until we get to about 100 links, we're going to be taking it slow and steady. Now, let me rephrase that. Not 100 links, but 100 referring domains. We don't really track links because one website can give you like 10 different links and each additional links has diminishing returns for you. So we like to target additional referring domains, and we've built quite a number of those, relatively speaking, in the past month. And because of that, a lot of posts that I didn't expect to start ranking because we haven't actually built any direct links to them are starting to get on the first page of Google and produce traffic for us. Now, that's a combination of us increasing the authority of our website, which I explained a little bit in the last update video about how website authority works and things of that nature. So definitely check that out. We're starting to see results from that. So I'm happy about that. And then we're targeting a specific group of articles, about 3 of them that have the potential to produce $5,000 a month each. Now, it'll take some time because they are kind of competitive, so it'll take some time to rank those articles. But once they do start to rank, we'll be producing about $1,000 to $2,000 each initially from each of those articles. And then once we continue to push them up to the top 3 positions, we should make $5,000 plus from each of those articles. And the beauty is that they're software, so it's recurring revenue. The amount of money we make compounds over time. So as long as a customer stays with the company, then we continue to get our affiliate commission. Individually, each commission might be small, but it really adds up over time when you have that traffic, you have those people coming to those posts. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing for a referral type of program. Now, let me show you our stats, both our authority, both our traffic, both our links, all that good stuff. So this is for Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a search engine optimization tool that helps you do research and all that good stuff. And they have their own metric called domain rating. And our domain rating currently is 27. Now, the entire scale is 100. So 0 means like the website is brand new. 100 means you're like Google or Facebook. We're at 27. 30 is kind of like the cutoff mark for a good website. We're almost at 30, which is really good, especially with the number of referring domains we have. We have a total of 40, and we're starting to get a lot of organic keywords. Now, that's because we've been creating a lot of content and Google has been picking it up. So these organic keywords will eventually start ranking on the first page. And we're also producing some traffic. Now, our traffic is a bit higher than this. It's not the most accurate tool in the world, but it does pretty well. So as you can see here, our rankings are increasing. Our referring domains are increasing. So everything is going up and to the right. Our organic search is estimated at 93 a month. It's actually higher than that. And our traffic value is $43. Now, that'll continue to improve once we get these key affiliate posts to start ranking. So be on the lookout for that. Now, another tool that we use to measure this is called Moz. Our Moz rank right now is 19. Ahrefs is usually higher than the Moz domain authority. These are their own proprietary metrics. And they're like a proxy for determining how good your website is. So domain authority tends to be lower than domain ranking. That's just how it works. And here they say we only have 19 linking domains and only 41 inbound links. So all these tools are slightly different. So you might want to combine multiple together to really get a clear view of how you're doing in the SERPs, right? Ahrefs is like $99 a month. This one is $99 a month. But there are free options like Uber Suggest. Now, this one is for Kyleads. Our organic traffic is actually considerably higher than this, but it's a free tool or freemium tool, and their database doesn't seem to be as good as the other tools because of the fact that it's mostly free, right? So if you don't have the resources to pay $99 a month, or you're not ready to invest that much in your affiliate marketing authority site, Uber Suggest might be a good option for you currently. Now let's look at traffic over the past month. So over the past month, we had about 169 unique visitors to our website. Most of that, about 90% of that, is organic search. Let's look at how we've improved over the last 30 days. So I'm using Google Analytics to compare the last month with the month before that. And it's been an increase in users of 100%. So yeah, we're going up and to the right. And as you can see here, this is when it really started to take off. We had a spike in traffic this day. And our target is to improve our search rankings by 30% to 50% every month. After a year, that'll be a really sizable increase. I mean, the numbers are small now, but you'll see that compounding effect, 30% every month, can lead to tens of thousands or even over 100,000 visitors over the course of a year. And we're really looking forward to that. Slow and steady wins the race. So one thing I will say is that it's important to secure your brand name across all the social media platforms. Even if you're not planning on using those social media platforms right now, whenever you do want to use it, you want to make sure that your brand is there and you're locked and loaded, ready to go whenever you do choose to pursue a social media marketing strategy. We're not focused on social media marketing right now because we're laser focused on building links and getting that search traffic. But eventually we will move over to social media marketing. So as far as expenses go, we spent a little over $100. Those are subscriptions to search engine optimization tools and hosting spread out over the course of a year. We haven't had any other expenses apart from that because our lead generation or list building tool is actually my software, KaiLeads. Definitely check that out down below. There's a link in the bio. And we've been using a free email marketing tool called Musen. I'll link that below so you can take a look at it. That's how we've been able to keep our expenses low. If we weren't using the SEO tool, we'd probably be spending about $5 a month for this affiliate marketing authority site that we're growing. So you can get started with about $200. I analyzed that in my first video, and you can keep a website running for $20, $30 a month. And as far as income, we've made a grand total of $20. That seemed like a fluke. Someone just came to one of our articles, clicked on the link, and decided to sign up. And that article doesn't actually get very much traffic right now, so we're fortunate for that. So it's not as if we're going to do anything reasonable with the $20. So we're just going to invest it right back in the business wherever we can, or just hold on to it until it gets to a reasonable amount. So that is our affiliate marketing case study for the second month. As you can see, everything is going up and to the right, which is what we want. I anticipate over the next 6 months or so, we're going to crack $5,000 a month in revenue if we continue on our current trajectory. From there, we're going to be able to reinvest in the business, hire 1 or 2 virtual assistants to help us with outreach and link building and content creation. So from there, it's really just my partner and I will be focused on direction and planning. We'll be able to delegate most of the tasks to our team. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you've appreciated this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss the next one. After all, I drop multiple videos a week about making money online, as well as my own experiences implementing some of these strategies, like I'm doing here, our affiliate marketing case studies. So I'm actually walking the walk while talking the talk. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.